In this video, I am going to review another oud oil called Kesucian. Kesucian or Kesucian in Indonesian language, it means holiness, and it is written over here that is from Malaysia. So it is kind of like Indonesian Malaysian region. Distilled in 2021. So this is a sample from Ensar Oud. Let's test this oud from Malaysia. Malaysia and Indonesia are my favorite profiles. So I'm going to explore now how it actually is it going to be satisfying for me or not. So let's get started. So this is Kesucian from Ensar Oud, Malaysian region 2021 distilled oud oil. So let's apply this oud oil on my right wrist over here. So I think I've got very little, so let's oh, this is really lovely. It has some floral note in it. Oh, this is really strange. This is an organic oud. It has a very beautiful profile. Herbal, airy, sweet, fresh, like a jungle. It is, I think it is more on an Indonesian kind of side that is kind of like jungly, green, wet leaves, kind of light, airy breeze. It is cool. It is like something, cooling with evaporation, something like that. I have an Indonesian oil very similar to this, Ake Indonesia from Imperial Oud. This is very similar to that one. It has some like heavy woodiness at the background of this. So it is kind of like sweet, airy, herbal, with some green leaves, green freshness to it, and then it has some woodiness that is at the background. It is like just you're looking at a dark jungle, or maybe some some jungle just after the rain, and there is darkness in the jungle. So you are looking at a green leafy jungle with very big leaves. Yes, it has a little bit of minty note in it that is coming out. I think Ensar said that it is wood from Kelantan, I think, and it has some resemblance, the dark woodiness or heavy wood I am sensing in the background. It is just like when you burn Kelantan oud woods on a burner. Very lovely. It is just like a perfume. It is kind of like woody, sweet, airy, herbal kind of perfume. Not much spices there. It is on on the lighter side, but it has some dampness and thickness to it. So this is my review about Kesucian from Ensar Oud, Malaysia. Region is Malaysia, distilled in 2021. One more thing, why I am mentioning distillation or time, because when the oud gets old, like 2 or 3 years or 4 years or 6 years, it is going to get better with aging. Oh, this is really lovely. I think you can wear it in summers or winters. It is all season kind of oud oil. This is Kesucian from Ensar Oud. If you have used it or some similar oud oil, just let me know. I'm going to review more ouds from Ensar Oud in the next videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.